Good morning, teachers, guests, and all my friends. Myself Abhishek Dumai from SUPM College of Engineering and Technology, Maegaon, Baramati. Today, my teammates are Sarfaraj Sheikh and Rushikesh Gaikwad. We are going to present the topic 4D printing. The term 4D printing was first coined by TD Professor Skylar Tibbets in February 2013 in the speech of MIT conference. The introduction of a four-dimension to the three-dimension technology is termed as 4D printing. With this new dimension, 3D printed objects possess the capability to change the shape by itself over the influence of external stimuli such as heat, light, electricity, magnetic field, etc. This shape-changing phenomenon of 3D printing object is based on the material's ability to transform over the time in response to the specific stimuli, and it does not require the human intervention to aid the process. Next point is emergence of 4D printing from 3D printing. 3D printing and additive manufacturing is a technique. It is considered as one of the most disruptive innovations in the field of modern manufacturing. It has completely transformed the way parts, components, and equipments are manufactured in industry along with their design and development. 3D printing technology has witnessed continuous over advancements over the last 3 decades and have evolved drastically. Despite its ability to create complex bio-inspired multi-materials designs, 3D printing is not yet ready to be adopted in large-scale manufacturing. The next point is difference between 3D printing and 4D printing. The first point is the 3D printing technology does not change its dynamic shape, and the 4D printing technology changes its shape, size, and color. The materials used in the 3D printing are thermoplastics, ABS, metals and alloys, biomaterials and gels and nanomaterials. The materials used in the 4D printing are shape memory alloys, self-assembled materials, hydrophilic polymers, plant oil, and biomaterial. The printers used for the 3D printing are 3D printer SLA, then fuse deposition modeling, selective laser sintering. And the printers used for the 4D printing is 3D printer SLA, multi-materials 3D printers. Now my friend Rushikesh Gaikwad will continue on.
4D printing materials and technology. In 4D printing technology, smart materials like shape memory alloys, self-assembled materials, biomaterials, etc. are used. Do you know the smart material is one of the highly focused research areas in 4D printing? You can see equipment design and mathematical modeling in bold. So first we can see equipment design. Basically, it is deals with developing advanced or innovative printer technology, which can print multiple materials congruently, or we can say it can print ordinary materials as well as smart materials at a time. Next point is mathematical modeling. It is a process in which it predicts the formation and deformation of an object triggered or operated by stimulation. Next point is material selection. Materials for 4D printings are classified based on their environment or the external simulation. Smart materials are currently classified into following categories like thermo responsive materials, moisture responsive materials, and light responsive materials. Before that, you can see following figure the total dimensional view from one dimension to four dimension of the object. In next figure you can see how the smart materials actually works by changing its shape, which gives its response to the temperature, moisture, and light, etc. Our first smart material is a thermoresponsive material. These materials gives it response to the shape memory alloys, shape memory polymers, shape memory ceramics, shape memory hybrids, and shape memory gels. These materials work on the mechanism of shape memory effects, that is SME. Moisture responsive materials. Basically, the materials that react when in contact with water or moisture. The hydrogel is one of the smart material that fall under this category. Hydrogel can increase its size by up to 200% of its original volume when it is comes in contact with water. Photo, electro, magneto-responsive materials, or we can say light responsive material. These materials react with light, current, and magnetic fields. These materials gives independent major reaction with shape memory polymers. From now on, my friend Sarfaraj will explain the applications of 4D printing.
Applications of 4D printing. 4D printing has a huge scope in various fields, such as in aerospace. NASA is using it to develop a metal fabric which can be used as a shield in spacecraft antennas or astronaut spacesuit. Airbus is using it to develop an inlet component to cool the engine by automatically controlling the airflow. In automotive, BMW is using it to develop an inflatable material which can change its shape and size when triggered by air pulses. 4D printing plays a very huge role in healthcare, especially in cardiology. 4D printing can be used to manufacture the outer and the inner heart valve, and the operation becomes safer and faster. 4D printing could easily develop the stents used in heart valve that can further be expanded as per the required shape with the help of the heat in patient's body. 4D printing technology has the potential to manufacture a specific part or customized model of artificial hearts. This innovation can solve the long-term problem and opens a new path for heart patients. Heart model printed by this technology can also be grown with the passage of time and change of temperature. Opportunities and challenges. Despite being a promising technology, 4D printing needs to overcome several technological hurdles prior to it being widely adopted. Some of the major challenges are lack of ability to improve support structures for complex objects, lack of multi-material printers, lack of low-cost and smart materials, lack of low-cost printers and smart materials, slow print times, and limited reliability of printed objects in the long run. Though there are certain advancements in the printing technology, such as 5-axis printing equipment, which is expected to eliminate the problems of building support structures for complicated internal structures. But other challenges still remain. Challenges such as slow and inaccurate actuation, lack of control over intermediary states of deformation, and limited material availability are other reasons for the delayed adoption of 4D printing technology. Considering the interest shown by manufacturers and high level intensity of research and development activities with respect to 4D printing, the technology could make an exponential jump at faster pace than the predicted pace. Manufacturers who want to be forefront of the technological changes and advancement should be abreast with the technological advancement and potential implications of the 4D printing. Now my friend Rishikesh will continue.
Conclusion, we conclude that 4D printing is an modern or innovative technology and it is an extension of 3D printing. The market for 4D printing is beginning to establish, owing to numerous research and development activities. The opinion of market growth is varied among the experts. Market would grow at a CAGR of approximately 33%. We can predict that the 4D printing market would grow at slightly slower rate of 20% by 2025.
So
Thank you.
thank you very much for giving us the chance to present our topic and listening to us. Thank you.
Thank you.